Hey, what's up, guys? We are just going to do a time lapse where I'm just going to speed up the footage of us unloading logs and putting them in a pile. Please enjoy. Alright, guys, we have now unloaded all of our wood. So a lot of wood we're gonna have to split. All this needs to be 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 split. Kyle's trying to drive the truck. Alright. Gotta split this, and you probably saw Kyle's videos. This is all the wood we got so far. I don't know, it's doing pretty good, Hey, does anyone have any suggestions of what we do with wood like this? Because it's so small. Like, I'll compare that to one of our other pieces. Like, lengthwise, look at it. You can even look at this one, look at the difference between these. Now compare it to this, you know? Hand. It's kind of like, I don't know what to do with it. For now, we're just putting all the smaller stuff like this. This is coming from a log like this, which is like tree stump log. We gotta cut a little smaller. Like this is what we're using to cut right now on. But I don't know, it looks fine. But send us ideas. Here's my little area at Kyle's house. Monster can. Yeah. We just went over Stop and Shop. Probably, if you saw the video on Mr. Kyle's channel of me driving the zero turn, this is what we got back from Stop and Shop. Bag of Sun Chips and Monster. That's all you need. It's awesome. Alright, guys. Well, check out Mr. Kyle 148's channel. We do videos together. If you haven't noticed by now, which you probably have, please subscribe. Like us on Facebook for more videos like this. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you next time.